Imagine a country the size of New Jersey, surrounded by geopolitical threats on nearly all sides, yet consistently ranking among the world's most powerful defense innovators. In 2025, Israel isn't just surviving, it's leading the world in military technology. From AI-powered drone swarms to the most sophisticated missile defense systems on the planet, Israel's defense sector is redefining how wars are fought and peace is preserved. But how did they get here? What makes Israeli defense tech so advanced, and what can the rest of the world learn from it? Stick around, because today we are diving deep into why Israel's defense technology is the best in the world in 2025. Israel's defense prowess didn't emerge by accident. It was born out of necessity. Since its establishment in 1948, Israel has faced constant regional threats, wars, terror attacks, and cyber warfare. With limited natural resources and a small population of just over 9 million, the country had no choice but to innovate to survive. In Israel, necessity isn't just the mother of invention, it's the whole family. The government partnered early with private industry, investing in R&D, military startups, and elite military units like Unit 8200, Israel's version of the NSA, often referred to as the Startup School for Intelligence Veterans. In fact, Israel invests 4.9% of its GDP into research and development, the highest of any OECD country, and much of that supports dual-use technologies that benefit both military and civilian applications. You've probably heard of the Iron Dome, Israel's missile defense system that intercepts short-range rockets with jaw-dropping accuracy. Since its deployment in 2011, the Iron Dome has intercepted over 90% of incoming projectiles, saving thousands of civilian lives. But that was just the beginning. In 2025, Israel has expanded its multi-tiered missile defense network to include Davod Sling, designed to intercept medium to long-range missiles, built to intercept ballistic missiles in space, and the newest addition, Iron Beam, a laser-based air defense system capable of neutralizing drones, rockets, and mortars at the speed of light. Cut to animation, simulated laser intercept of incoming drone. The Iron Beam, developed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, offers a cost-effective solution to aerial threats, costing just a few dollars per shot compared to thousands for traditional interceptors. In a world increasingly dominated by low-cost aerial threats like kamikaze drones, this matters a lot. In 2025, warfare isn't just about firepower, it's about brainpower. And Israel is ahead of the curve. The Israeli Defense Forces, IDF, now deploy AI-powered systems across intelligence gathering, battlefield decision-making, and combat operations. Autonomous drones that communicate and coordinate to overwhelm enemy defenses, ideal for reconnaissance or precision strikes. Systems like Gideon, that process real-time battlefield data and suggest optimal tactics in split seconds. Autonomous ground vehicles, think robotic patrol jeeps guarding borders, scanning for threats with thermal and motion sensors. These aren't future concepts, they're operational now. In Gaza and the West Bank, AI and machine learning tools are already being used to predict threats, preempt attacks, and reduce collateral damage. This technology is also being exported to allies, making Israel one of the top 10 arms exporters in the world, with over $12.5 billion in defense exports in 2024 alone. Welcome to the digital front lines, where Israel is a global cyber superpower. Israeli companies and military units are behind some of the most advanced cybersecurity technologies in the world. Unit 8200 has birthed hundreds of startups specializing in cyber defense, threat detection, and AI security. Israeli firms provide cyber protection for 75% of the Fortune 100 companies. Tools developed in Israel help governments detect and respond to zero-day attacks within hours.